beams are structural elements designed to carry loads primarily through bending. They are fundamental components in buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure systems. The performance of beams, particularly those made of steel and reinforced concrete RC, is critical to the safety, serviceability, and economy of structures. Steel and concrete beams behave differently due to their material properties, construction techniques, and failure modes, which directly affect their analysis and simulation methods. Analyzing and simulating the behavior of these beams under various loading conditions enables engineers to predict deflection, stress distribution, and ultimate load capacity with high accuracy. Steel beams are known for their high strength-to-weight ratio, ductility, and uniform material properties. They typically exhibit linear elastic behavior up to yielding, after which plastic deformations occur before failure. The analysis of steel beams often focuses on elastic and plastic bending behavior, shear effects and lateral torsional buckling, stress-strain relationships and yield criteria, load deflection characteristics. Simulation tool like ABAQUS can be used to model steel beam behavior under various loads, boundary conditions, and support types. Finite Element Analysis, FEA, allows visualization of stress concentrations and deformation patterns. Reinforced concrete beams combine concrete's compressive strength with steel reinforcement's tensile capacity. The behavior of RC beams is more complex than that of steel beams due to nonlinear material properties, cracking of concrete and yielding of steel, bond slip effects between concrete and steel, creep and shrinkage, cracking and post-cracking stiffness. Analysis involves determining moment curvature relationships, crack propagation, and ultimate load capacity. Simulation helps capture nonlinear behavior using material constitutive models and layered section approaches. Simulations provide a virtual environment to test different design parameters and failure scenarios that may be impractical or unsafe to test physically. Benefits include predicting real-world performance before construction, reducing material and testing costs, evaluating design alternatives quickly, visualizing stress and deformation patterns. Using finite element analysis (FEA), engineers can model both steel and concrete beams with high fidelity, incorporating factors such as nonlinear material properties, complex geometries, dynamic loading, impact, earthquake, or vibration, thermal effects, and long-term behavior. Beam analysis and simulation are essential for structural design and optimization, failure and fatigue analysis, retrofitting and strengthening existing structures, research in material behavior and composite action. This package offers a complete course on steel and concrete beam simulation using ABAQ software. The tutorials include 22 detailed and independent projects, each supported by research-based models. Every project provides step-by-step instructions through English language videos, CAE/INP files, and supplementary research papers. The course covers various concrete types, steel and concrete beams, with many material models such as elastic, plastic, Johnson-Cook, concrete damage plasticity, and these are applied to a wide range of structures including beams, reinforced concrete RC beams, columns, beam column joints, and composite beams. Analyses include fire, thermal, seismic and cyclic loading, low and high velocity impacts, bending, compression, tension, flexure, air blast, repeated impacts, failure, fracture, and cracking. The course includes 22 practical and comprehensive tutorials that you can find each model in the description page. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for civil and structural engineering and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package. For more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.